Hi, this is Steve. I'm Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Fairfax, Virginia, and I wanted to show you why this home has a leak. They have a leak here at the corner post, but then it's wet inside the garage directly below, right along this entire line. So when I lift up the shingles, I should see a piece of metal, which is called step flashing, and the step flashing is shaped like an L. It goes behind the siding and then it overlaps the shingle. The next piece of step flashing would go on top of this one, and this piece of step flashing would overlap this one. And that's how it should be, right along the entire line. But what they did is, when the contractor did the roofing, he installed step flashing, but all these shingles are going directly on top of the step flashing without weaving them in and out. So that's why he has a leak. Also, the contractor did the same thing at the backside. So what I would really recommend is not only repair this roof, but repair this one as well, because they have mold inside the home. So, after they treat the mold for the front, they may end up having to do the same thing for the back. So I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I'm going to give the homeowner a price to repair the front, but also to repair the back. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Fairfax and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.